On this week's episode of Dumb Things I Do for No Damn Reason, we're gonna try to install rear battery mount. Since I have no carpet, no spare tire, figure why does it keep getting blurry? Figure I'll put the battery right there. I could run a perfect ground somewhere there. This is pretty much the kit. It's got a starting. Oh, nope, those are my fog lights. That don't matter. That's the power wire. One day I will be able to think and talk and say the correct things. That's about to fall. As I said, that's the ground that I can go to. That bolt right there. Should be nice. What else do I got? All this jazz. There you go. Alright, I mean, it's not that hard. I'm gonna probably just drill that into here. Make sure there's nothing underneath. Just probably not. Light. Let there be light. Just a lot of garbage. Yeah, we'll drill that right there. Should be a nice spot. So if I need to, I can use that grommet and run the power cable underneath the car. I have to run some rust stuff on there to prevent that from rusting anymore. Last thing I need is one of these rear springs to come into the car. You're not welcome in the car. Alright, I removed the battery tray. Move that. Look at all that corrosion. That's all coming off anyway. Move that, move that. That was just this one 10mm bolt right there. That was kind of slid out. I had to throw some of my rust eater in there. How's this side looking? A little bit in there too. I think I'm gonna go get my rust eater, get that taken care of. But with that out of the way, I'm gonna kind of get an idea of where I can run the that cable. So I want to run it through the passenger firewall side, but I'm thinking I can't, because I would like to run it and I kind of essentially have it out over here on this side. But the more I'm looking, the more I'm thinking it might have to be like back there or something. But you can see, drop that guy, make sure that it fits in there. So that'll be a nice spot for that ground. And for this, just gotta drill some holes and clip it in there. Unless it goes this way. Like that. And I have other ones for holes. This is the kit I'm working with. There's my notification. This is what it tells me. This. Factory crimped terminal to starter. Yes. Well, all that's gonna go. Yeah, it gives you the instructions. Yeah, worst case, I think I might just run 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts there, and then kind of have it sunk in. I'm debating on running it this way or this way. I should do proper weight balance, but if I do put it here, my fat ass will be there. You know. So, yeah. Alright, I'm going to go try to figure out how to run this wire. I'm going to go get my rust eater, spray that, and once I run that, I'll come back and show you what I've done. Alright, so as I was running it through the, where is it? Oh, there it is. As I was running it through the driver's side, I pulled back the carpet and found this guy. Lots of corrosion, and you can see where it was sitting. So I got to fix that, splice it, double check all these wires, make sure nothing else is destroyed. And then essentially, I'm going to see if I can find a spot I can fish the power cable through. There should be something up there, but I can take the seats out, just kind of fish it through the side moldings and all that jazz. Pull that guy off, whatever. Ran it under there. So now I'm gonna have to figure out if I want to keep it there or if I want to run the battery maybe here. So down near this subwoofer or in the spare tire spot. Alright, and we're back. Alright, So I got it routed all the way up here through, we need light. Not gonna be able to see it, but through the harness little rubber grommet thing. So straight down under there, I'm gonna tuck it away in there after I fix that cable. And then just run it around under this guy. Oh, run it through, down under, back around. I have more than enough, and if I could, depending on how much I can get out of here, maybe I can get it, set it flush against the ground back here maybe, and then connect it up here. If not, I'll have to figure something out. But there's your little update for now. Welcome back. We have two things to go through. First of all, Goo Gone is a lifesaver. Look at this. Look at this. My buddy showed me the proper way to do it. Is just spray it and then lightly scrub it off. But look. There's still little spots, but remember how bad it was last time? Look at that. Oh, nice. Even the front bumper. Like just step back and just, oh, it looks so nice. So nice for a turd. Look, even here. I still need the SRT4 side skirts, but all of it. Look, you can see it. I might try my hand at paint correction, but yeah, you can still see here, which we still got. I need more Goo Gone. But this rust, I don't know if there was a video of it before, actually. All the rust from here all ran obviously onto the bumper. But look, Goo Gone with a life-saving device of the day. Props to Goo Gone. Alright, back to what I was doing. So, the battery is officially routed, mounted. I got it ran here, bolted under there, and then I essentially have it held on by a couple bolts. So I fished the bolts through there, ran it under here. Obviously nice and clean. So I ran it under there so you can't see it. Ran against this carpet under there. Alright, there you go. And then, oh, I gotta fix that. But ran it underneath this little box. So underneath that, up and over, and then through there. And then where the ECU wiring goes is I kind of ran it through there instead of drilling a new hole through it. You saw where it was. But yeah, there it is. I still got to do a little bit more, throw some electrical tape. I got to warm that up a little bit more. The rust prevention took out most of the rust on here. The ground, I actually grounded to this guy right there. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, let's move that out of the way. There you go. We need light. It won't give me light. But yeah, grounds to that. And now we have power. If I hook it up, and the car turns on. No problems whatsoever. Oh, you hear the beeping already. See? And it's just perfect. So it sits, it's perfect. It's kitty corner to me. Oh, baby. But yeah, we have power. So with the DVD player, I was gonna throw in the one I have. Let's I was gonna throw in this guy, but it's not Bluetooth. With all new technology for $100 or whatever, I can get one or whatever. Get essentially a touch screen that protrudes out and then sticks out here, which will be nice. I just gotta measure this, and then all of this will be a clean setup, and then I'll still have Bluetooth, which is ultimately what I want. Now I gotta clean it up, all the interior stuff. I don't know, some of these speakers don't work, I don't think. This radio doesn't work, but windshield's cracked. But yeah, there you go. The Trash Panda is coming together nicely.